Good morning, dear students. Today in this video we are going to start editing exercises. Editing plays very important role in your grammar section. This question comes of editing 6th to 10th all the classes. Here you are given one paragraph where certain grammatical errors are there. First of all, what you have to do, you have to find out the error part and what should be the correct answer for that error. Because half mark is here for error finding and another half mark is to solve the error. You are supposed to write incorrect word first for that one half mark, and then what will be the correction of that. In all the questions whatever you get in exam, one example is given to you. Just let's start it. The king reached a ashram, a sadhu. The king reached a ashram. Here a is wrong, it should be the. Now we will keep on doing the next lines and I will tell you what was the mistake, why that is supposed to be a mistake, and what should be the correct answer. In the same way as I am going to tell you, the same way you will try to find out the error and sort out the mistakes. Let's start. Was watering some plants. A sadhu was dead. Here a is wrong, it should be the, because already about sadhu we got to know, and when we are talking about a talked thing, person, then instead of a article the is used. Next line you have to go for finding the next error. A king was tired. He stopped watering. Here a is wrong, the should be correct because already we have talked about the king. And when we have talked about a person, next time if we are talking about the same person, then instead of a, the article will come. So a is wrong, the king will be correct. The plants ran up to the king or gave. Here instead of or it should be and gave him. Or comes when we have one option, whether this or that. But ran up to the king, he came to the king and gave him some fruits and cold water on that. Here on is wrong, at preposition comes. At comes for showing the time, at that time. So preposition on shows date. When we are talking about dates, then on preposition comes, but time at preposition. That is why here on is wrong, at is right. Time, a wounded man with bruises all over the body is. Here was is the correct answer, not is, because you can see everything in this paragraph is written in past tense. Was watering, sadhu was, but here is has come, that is why it is wrong. Brought to an ashram by another sadhu. So here is wrong, was is correct. Then in the next, body was brought to an ashram by another sadhu, by the other, not another, by the other sadhu, not an. Brought to an ashram. An ashram is wrong, the ashram it should be correct. Because already about ashram we know. That is why an ashram is wrong, the ashram will be correct. The first sadhu saw this, he go to the. You can say here go is in present tense. It should come at past tense. That is why instead of go, went will be there. Go to the injured and cleaned their wounds and gave. Here there is wrong because only one person wounds are described. So instead of there, here pronoun related problem is there. That is why there is wrong. It should be his. So dear children, you have seen. First of all, you have to find out what is the wrong word used. This mistake can be related to tense, can be related to pronoun, article, and etc. Then you will sort it out. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.